Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, welcome to week 2 of June of 2025, Battle of the Stitches. This is the week that we show a sneak peek of what we've made. This month's stitch is called the Double Crunch Stitch. I have a tutorial up for it in my playlist for stitches, and I can try and link that at the end if you wanted to see it. It's a beautiful stitch. We've been very inspired by it. I'm really excited about it. And so I have made my own project with it, and I'm actually going to show the whole thing because I don't know if everybody's going to know what it is. So I'm going to show it. If you know what it is, go ahead and, let me know. If you don't know, I'll reveal what exactly it is next week. But I made it with nice sparkly yarn. So this is a fun thing, and I'm really excited to show you what this is because it's something that's different. I haven't done anything like this before, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And I'll, of course, have a tutorial up for it next week. So let me hear what you think this is. Thanks for watching. I'm going to keep it short and sweet this week. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.